not what we have here at Unique, especially in classics. Not your typical X platform, Nova or Skylark here. This is a 1973 Pontiac Ventura. And it is a sharp car. Repainted in DuPont Dark Cherry Metallic. This one definitely will turn some heads. Numbers matching. 350 underneath the hood. Numbers matching. 4-speed manual transmission paired up with that. And take a look at the reflection off this hood. The sign in the background, check that out. So as you can see, paint shows well. You have a few little spots, like right there where there's a couple touch-ups. Let me tell you, that is being quite fussy. And this paint wasn't just done. This paint has been on this car a while. It was one that was actually featured in CarCraft in one of their articles that they have in there. The magazine that has this car in it will go along with it. It also has the original build sheet that will go along with it. As you can see, it's riding on American Racing wheels, radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome in the front grille, headlight surrounds on this one. According to the second owner of this car, this was an original mile car. Original interior, and we're going to get around to that here in a second too. I think you're probably going to agree with me. As you can see, chrome, bright work, grille, headlight surrounds, all good shape. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, look at the underside of this car. Check out the interior, the trunk, engine bay. It is clean, tidy, well done car, simple and sharp. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you're going to see the still pictures. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. I've personally been around the lower portion of this car with a very light refrigerator magnet, and it sticks. Again, according to the second owner of this car, this is original sheet metal. It is not full of filler. This would have been repainted. I believe the article on this car that is, and look at that reflection. The article that is in CarCraft on this, I believe, is from '98. And this is the color of the car then, so this is not a fresh paint job, and it is held up. It still shows well. Won't be afraid to take this to any of your local shows, cruise-in, roll-ins. And the cool part is you're not going to see a bunch of other ones sitting there at the same time. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Black vinyl roof, nice shape. Again, believed to be original. Take a look at the chrome. Dual exhaust, nice throaty exhaust on this one too. Nothing over the top, just a nice deep rumble to it. And again, you can see that chrome rear bumper. And just take a look at the paint. Again, you can see the reflection of the ceiling, sign on the wall. That's that DuPont Dark Cherry Metallic. Underneath the hood was that 350 numbers matching V8. It does have a fuel injection system on it now. This thing will fire right up. Won't be afraid to get in this one and go. Power steering, power brakes. Take a look down the passenger side of this car before we snoop over the interior and the engine bay. And again, there's that reflection all the way to the front door. It's tough to get the photos and the video to do this paint justice on this one, but out in the sun it is incredible. There is a folder full of receipts also on this car, things that were done, and I'll keep those done to it, as well as again that build sheet and the CarCraft magazine that it was featured in. There's your original door panels, Ventura logo on there. Cool as that. Look at these, still intact, not busted out. How many times do you see those handle brackets or handles busted out? There's your original interior. Does have a little bit of a wear spot up here in the corner. It's torn from the seam just slightly where the threads have let go. Aftermarket tack added and a few gauges underneath the dash. Wipers do work. Check those earlier. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Here's, again, actual miles according to the second owner, 61,386. And judging by this interior, headliner, trunk, the condition of this car does not surprise me at all. Look at those underside pictures. You'll see what I'm saying. Let the fuel pump pressurize the system. Let it run a second here. It's going to kick off. Again, fuel injection. Turn the key. It's like a modern car. There it is. There is a controller for the fuel injection in the glove box that will go along with it too. There's your aftermarket gauges. As you can see, oil pressure good. Temp will come up with the temp of the car. And then your voltage meter off to the right. That one does not appear to be hooked up possibly, as far as the one furthest to the right. Blower fan works. I have not had the Sony stereo working. It seems to power up. I have no display, not getting a sound out of it. FYI. Alright, make sure we got that 4-speed in neutral. Good there. Aftermarket tack, working order, and fuel gauge working over here. Alright, slip around to the rear of this car so you can hear it run. Sorry about that. See how nicely that door closes. Here we go. Nice sounding 350. Again, the original numbers matching one to this car, as well as that 4-speed manual transmission, all original to this car. As far as the engine, was gone through once, and see, what was it? Did have a hydraulic cam put in it. I believe it has Excel ignition components, some other things. Let's pop that hood, check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, first off, there's the underside of the hood. Here's that 350 Edelbrock intake, Pontiac fuel injection system. We have a little chrome dress-up components as far as the valve covers, alternator, master cylinder cover, and power steering, power brakes. And you can see how smooth running that is, nice it sounds. Heater hoses, heater core are all still hooked up. No surprises on this one. This one looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and video. 1973 Pontiac Ventura. Nice looking two-door. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate and call in or email.